Going on, family? As you see, I just picked up my AWS form. I go to address, so if you need to know the address, there you go. I'm gonna pause it on that a little bit. That way, if you need to contact them to ask any questions on how to get yourself established, that's what you need to do. Well, I just got mine in. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when it comes in. They'll send you the renewal information in there. They'll send you your new card, all nice and shiny. And it got your AWS certifications on it. See, it says D1, 6G position, 1/2 inch thickness, and my card expires now on 8/2/19. So I have to get it renewed a month before the date is time to expire. They'll send you the paper so that way you can send it back in to update it with your payment. It only costs $25 to update it. And they'll send you a newsletter giving you some information on renewal, the benefits of being a renewal AWS member. And actually there are a few benefits, so I'm just going to show you this paper. So there are a few benefits as far as being a member and paying for your own and keeping them up. And like I say, this is a very good move for your business. And personally, I would say if you are going to be independent and run your own business, you at least need to have some form of AWS certifications. Some form, some kind. So like I say, this right here pretty much shows you the discounts, bonus features. You get discounts when you get ready to go do other programs. So it's a few good things. So I just wanted to show you, man, it is possible. So forget what they say. I have showed you. You can do it on your own. Hog on.